Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Let's talk about the updates for the mask with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. First of all, like usual, I recommend do not skip the post because mask, I made a main plan for bull run in May 2023. So absolutely everything's still relevant for this token. And this is the same chart from OKEX. This FIP is relevant. Here was the best entry for this token in October 2022 when we came in inside the 27 zone. Then I marked the support block. Here we tested one time, second time, the perfect retest of this block and bounce. Now the road is open to this block. So if we zoom out here, this is a monthly fair value gap. This is the next one. This was the first one, like support. This next one is can be like rejection, but I think we'll go higher to sweep this high. Firstly, this one we can sweep this like a target. It can be $7.23, and we can close the fulfill of monthly fair value gap $8.52. What I don't like now on this chart, I don't like this order flow on monthly time frame. So most negative scenario for a mask, what we can see, if we'll see the crash once again to this block. It's $1.53 and tests, for example, $1.86. So even after this move, we can see the collapse. I hope we'll not see this drop because I remind you, we got a pure order flow. So we got a lot of stop losses under every single monthly candle. So we are 5 months in a row going up. So this is how it works. That's why we will go back and double check on my indicator set what's going on. But this is the first trigger for bulls to sweep this high liquidity pool, and forming like a 3 drives pattern. One, local one, 1, 2, 3. Like this one, and then drop it down. I hope we'll not see this drop now, this year or at 2025. I think we can come back to this level maybe in next bear market. But the good entries, like usual, if you miss the ride, the good entries is here, 27 block. So it's $2 and everything what is under 93 cents. Now it's also okay accumulate this coin because we have a huge potential for this token, but risk management, risk reward, based on your strategy, because I accumulate only in zone of interest. I don't want to accumulate and touch this coin now. Potential for this token, pretty huge, because we got only 82 million coins in circulation supply every single months, like you can see, we got unlocks. Of course, this unlocks, it's not some crazy seller pressure, but yes, keep in mind. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till May 2024, we will see around 6 or 7 millions more into circulation supply, 88 million coins into circulation supply till May 2024. So if we'll see the sell in May and go away event, to close fulfill monthly gap, this one $8.53, we will see $8.53, we'll see 750 million market cap. I'm more than sure we're gonna sweep this high, it's 22, but with $23 we will see only 2 billion market cap. It's more than real to see because I recommend you go and double check the utility of the mask network. To hit new all-time high, is it possible or not? I don't want to count this candle, because it was a leasing and sell off, but anyway, $43, it's around with this circulation supply, we'll see less than 4 billion market cap. This price also possible. Yes, 4 billion market cap is more than possible, for this token. So guys, mark your entry, mark your exit. We're still early, but risk reward. I'm not touching this coin now. If we will drop once again to this monthly fair value gap, for example, $2 or $1.50, maybe I will buy them back, because from this current price, it can be pretty hard drop 68%, because I don't want to see these losses in my portfolio, so I'm not touching. Zone of accumulation was here. Now, accumulate or not, it's only up to you. Let's take a look at indicator set. ADZ, we're in distribution zone. Yes, we can form in there the warranty on weekly time frame, forming something like this one and something like this one on the chart, for example, to 0.23 by FIB and then going down. And here we will see once again accumulation. Crazy scenario and crazy distribution if we will drop once again to this block and forming the new lower low. I hope we'll not see this flash crash, on the market, but keep in mind this zone like potential accumulation once again. Direction, no signal to sell. Accumulation was here in August and September. So under we leave the monthly gap and above we got a monthly gap. I'm more bullish now than bearish for this token. If we take a look at the market mood here, no euphoria, nothing in the market. So we just came into hope zone. This was a depression, disbelief zone, the great time to buy. If we take a look on money power, yes, we can see the September money inflow. Now, still no signal for money outflow. That's why, yes, more than real, we can see the continuation to this target, sweep this high and close, fulfill monthly gap. Maybe even higher to 23. So all zones still relevant since this video. So I recommend you not skip the post and track the videos earlier. So imagine the post was in May 2023. So it was here, May 2023, I mark it. Here, then we drop it, and I showed you the old zones. Then we pump it. So from that drop, we already pump it around 146%. Let's take a look on the last two indicators. Trade on. Based on trade on, we don't have any data on a weekly time frame. And let's say indicators take profit. Based on take profit, yes. Why I say we can drop once again to this level, because here we tested fundamental price, we drop it under fundamental price. We tested fundamental price, we tested 50% of this range between the fundamental price and the buy line. And now we're going way over exit line. That's why we have all chances to go lower, test, sweep this low and test the buy line. Buy line at this current moment, $2. But like we saw in many examples, like on Sol, on Teller, on Injective, we can see something like this one and down. I showed you once again all main targets. I showed you so guys, I showed you all mains accumulation zones once again. I showed you the targets were more than okay, to fix at least some part of your profit. I showed you the potential all-time high for this token. I recommend you go and double check the fundamental of this token on main sources, and I highly recommend you track the vesting period for this token, because it's really important to understand the circulation supply and the potential market cap. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.